So in this problem, they give us that x plus y quantity squared equals xy plus 3, and x cubed minus y cubed equals 48. And we want to determine the value of x minus y. Okay. Now, what is x plus y quantity squared? That's x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals xy plus 3. Now we can subtract xy and get that number by itself. X squared plus xy plus y squared equals 3. Now, we have a difference of cubes. X cubed minus y cubed. Now that factors. That can factor into x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Now we know this value. This is equal to 48. X minus y is what we want to find. And this we just found right here. This has a value of 3. So to get x minus y by itself, we'll divide both sides of this equation by 3. And we get 16 equal to x minus y. And there's our answer. And we're done.